What are voice assistants?
Voice assistants are smart software programs built into devices like speakers, phones, and appliances. They can recognize spoken language, interpret your commands, and carry out actions such as playing music, setting reminders, or controlling your smart home. Popular examples include Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. But how do these assistants actually understand and respond to our voices?
Step 1. Listening for wake words.
Voice assistants are always listening for a specific wake word, like "Hey Siri" or "Alexa." Once the device detects this word, it starts recording your spoken command. This step ensures privacy by only capturing audio after the wake word is heard, focusing on your actual request instead of recording everything you say.
Step 2. Converting speech to text.
The device sends your recorded command to its processing system, often in the cloud. Here, advanced speech recognition algorithms turn your spoken words into written text. This process, called automatic speech recognition, or ASR, analyzes sound waves and matches them to words in its vocabulary, transcribing your speech accurately.
Step 3. Understanding meaning.
Once your command is in text form, the assistant uses natural language processing to figure out your intention. This means breaking down the sentence, identifying keywords, and determining what action you want performed, whether it's turning on the lights, playing a playlist, or answering a question.
Step 4. Executing the action.
After understanding your request, the assistant connects to other smart devices or online services to carry out the command. For example, if you ask, "Turn off the kitchen lights," the assistant communicates with your smart home system and sends the instruction to switch off the lights in the kitchen.
Step 5. Responding to you.
Finally, the voice assistant gives you a spoken response or confirmation. It might say, "Turning off the kitchen lights," or provide an answer to your question. This feedback lets you know that your command was understood and completed, making your interaction with smart technology smooth and convenient.
Bringing it all together.
In summary, voice assistants combine continuous listening, advanced speech recognition, language understanding, and smart device control to fulfill your spoken commands. This complex process happens in a matter of seconds, enabling seamless and natural interactions that make managing your smart home easier than ever.